Stop for a second. Take a deep breath. Now imagine this. 6 months from today, you wake up, you open your mouth, and English flows out. Clear, smooth, confident. No freezing, no hesitation, no long pauses in your head. Just real English, flowing naturally like water. Sounds like a dream? It's not. It's real. And I'm here to show you how. My name is William, and welcome to Learning Ascent, the place where your English finally grows wings. Today, I'm going to share a roadmap, not just a theory, not just grammar rules, but a real practical plan that can transform your English in just 6 months. Yes, 6 months. Not 6 years, not forever. Just 6 focused months of the right practice. So, stay with me until the end, because if you do, you'll walk away with a system that can change the way you think, the way you speak, and the way you live in English. Ready? Let's begin. Here's the first truth. Fluency is not about studying more. It's about living more. Living inside the language. This is the magic word. Immersion. Immersion means English is not something you visit once a week. It's something you breathe every single day. When you wake up in the morning, don't start your day with silence. Start with English. Put on a short podcast. Play a simple video. Even a song with easy words. From the very first minute, let English enter your ears. Let your brain wake up with English sounds. And during the day, don't wait for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. The perfect time is always now. When you cook, when you walk, when you clean your room, let English be with you. Not as background noise, but as a companion. A voice that walks beside you. Immersion means presence. It means English becomes the air around you. And the more you breathe it in, the faster your fluency grows. Listening. Food for the brain. Think of listening as food. Your brain is hungry, and if you don't feed it English every day, it stays weak. But the more you listen, the stronger it becomes. Now listen carefully. Listening is not about understanding every single word. At first, you won't, and that's okay. In the beginning, you may only catch one word, maybe 2, maybe just the rhythm. That is normal. That is the process. But if you keep going, word by word, sentence by sentence, your ears will grow sharper. Your brain will become faster, and English will stop sounding strange. It will sound familiar. It will sound natural. So here's your challenge. Fill your day with listening. Podcasts, videos, audiobooks, anything. Because the more you listen, the more you feed your brain. And a well-fed brain is a fluent brain. But listening alone is not enough. You must also speak every single day. And here's the mistake most learners make. They wait. They wait for the perfect partner. They wait for the perfect chance. They wait until their English is better. But if you wait, you'll wait forever. The truth is this: the perfect time to speak is now. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a native speaker. You don't need anyone else. You can practice alone, right here, right now. How? By describing your life in English. By talking to yourself out loud. I'm making coffee. I'm washing my face. I'm walking to the bus. Simple? Yes. Powerful? Absolutely. Because every time you move your mouth, you train your muscles. You shape your tongue. You prepare your voice. And here's another tool, one of the most powerful tools ever: shadowing. Shadowing means repeating what you hear immediately out loud. You copy the rhythm. You copy the melody. You copy the flow. At first, it feels strange, but little by little, it feels natural, and your fluency grows. Not slowly, but like a river flowing without end. Now, let's go deeper. Listening trains your ears. Speaking trains your mouth. But what about your brain? This is where thinking in English comes in. Because if you always translate in your head, you will stay slow. You will stay stuck. You will feel heavy. But if you think directly in English, everything becomes easier. Your words come faster. Your sentences feel natural. Your confidence grows. So here's a simple exercise. Take 5 minutes every day. Only 5. Tell yourself, in these 5 minutes, I will think only in English. Ask yourself simple questions. What will I eat today? Where will I go? What do I need to buy? Then answer yourself in English. At first, your brain will resist. It will say, "This is too hard." But if you push through day by day, something amazing happens. One day, you'll be walking down the street, and suddenly, you'll hear your own thoughts in English. That is the sign of true progress. That is the moment you know you are no longer translating. You are truly thinking in English. But even with listening, speaking, and thinking, there is one more piece of the puzzle: your mindset. Because fluency is not just about language. It's about the voice inside your head. If that voice is negative, you will stop. If that voice says, "I'm too old, I'm too slow, I'll never learn," then you will fail. But if that voice is strong, if it says, "I am learning, I am improving, every day I get better," then nothing can stop you. Your words become your fuel. Your thoughts become your power. Your mindset becomes your engine. So remember this: fluency is not about perfection. It's about progress. One step today, another tomorrow, again and again. Small steps that build into big change. So here is my challenge for you. Take the next 6 months, not 1 week, not someday, 6 months. Live in English. Breathe English. Surround yourself with English. Listen every day. Speak every day. Think in English every day. Not perfectly, not without mistakes, but consistently. And if you do, 6 months from now, you will not recognize yourself. You will look back and say, "Wow, I did it. I changed. I am fluent. I am free." And that, my friend, is the power of immersion. Final challenge. So here is my challenge for you. Take the next 6 months, not 1 week, not someday, 6 months. Live in English. Breathe English. Surround yourself with English. Listen every day. Speak every day. Think in English every day. Not perfectly, not without mistakes, but consistently. And if you do, 6 months from now, you will not recognize yourself. You will look back and say, "Wow, I did it. I changed. I am fluent. I am free." And that, my friend, is the power of immersion. Thank you for joining me today. I'm William, and this is Learning Ascent. Remember, your journey doesn't end here. It begins here. So keep listening, keep speaking, keep believing. And one day, soon, English will not just be something you study, it will be something you live. See you in the next episode.